Hey ladies! So I just wanted to make this video really quick to show you how to sign up for Khan Academy, or at least once you get signed up for Khan Academy, how to load your classes and then assign them work. So this is what we're going to use to do our grade redemption, and unfortunately, there's not a lot available for earth science. I used to use this in bio, and yeah, and the biology units have like activities and they have unit tests and quizzes. It's not available for earth science, and I'm not sure why. So instead we're going to do that review activity where they have to answer the questions from units 1 through 3. But here we're going to assign them videos to watch, and as long as they watch the video in the entirety, it will contribute to their completion of the course. So their grade redemption contract will be half of them watching these review videos on Khan Academy, and then the other half will be completing that review assignment that we've given them on Canvas. So when you get to Khan Academy, you should be able to sign in with your Google account. If you haven't made an account, you'll have to make one, but you can do it with your CMS email. And then it will ask you if you're a teacher, and it will ask you what school you're associated with. You just have to type in the Mint Hill zip code, and it'll bring up Rocky River, and then you can just choose. You have to click a little thing saying that you are a teacher and that you will adhere to the terms and uses. So when you come into Khan Academy, if you click on your name up here, you should be able to go to your teacher dashboard. Oh, well, duh. I don't know why I was waiting for it to load. It's already here on mine. But then it will have your classes. So you just can create a new class. I already created this one, but you just go to add new class, and then enter your class name. If you want to break yours down by first or second block, you can make 2 separate classes. I just did one big one because, I mean, we're already struggling with all these sections anyway. I figured why not struggle some more. So, but you can make 2 different classes. It's just that you would have to assign them separately when you go to assign everything. So you'll create a new class, and I'll just go ahead and do this one as Earth Science. And it will ask you which courses you want to add. So it'll say add courses for your class. There's not an Earth Science course. So the only thing that's related to us is this cosmology and astronomy. So if we do that, we'll click next. And then it says, how would you like to add your students? So I always just do join with the class link. So this is how you get them to join your Edpuzzle too. So if you copy this and paste it in the assignment for joining Khan Academy, you can put your own link in there. I know the one that I have as an example is my link, but you can put your link in there, and then they can join it that way. They do have a join code, so they could just come to Khan Academy and type this in, but this way is easier because it should take them right there. I can't remember if they have to make an account in order to join the class, but it will prompt them. Like if they follow the link, it should prompt them to make a new account, and they should be able to make one with their CMS email. They should be signed into their Drive anyway, and they should just be able to sign in that way. So we can go to see our class. And we don't have any students yet, so the thing with this is that you can't assign anything until students are in there. And then you have to go back and assign things to them once more students get added. So what I normally do with these grade redemption contracts, I would give them a few days, and I would be like, hey, if you want to do this, you got to get signed into my class now because I'm about to assign these, so that you don't have to go back individually when they come in to assign them. So we can come over here to assignments, and we can go to assign. And since this is our course, these are what we have to choose from. Like I said, there's hardly anything other than videos. So you just have to, when you open these, it will show you the different lessons that they have available. And I saved some. You can choose how many you want to assign to them. I think I wound up going through and there were 27 videos. Not all of them are very long, and like I said, on here they're just watching videos, so they'll watch it through, and if they complete it, it will go towards their course completion, so it'll give you a percentage breakdown. And what I said for mine was as long as they watch everything and they get 100%, that will be a part of their grade redemption. So here If you wanted to assign all of it, you can just click the top and it will select everything for you. But like we didn't do quasars or any of this, so I wouldn't choose this. We did do the Big Bang. So I would go through. We definitely did redshift. I don't know. These don't seem that relevant. I just went through and picked out what I thought was, you know, super relevant for them. But you guys have your discretion. You could do, you know, 15, 20, however many you want. And then just kind of go through and see what you like. The plate tectonics one, I think, is all pretty relevant. So me, myself, I was like, you know what? I'm going to go ahead and assign all this to them. And then on the bottom, we've got the seismic waves. So I thought these two, we didn't really do light refraction, so I would leave that one out. We did the MOHO boundary, but I don't think it's that important for them to know. And then the seasons too. This is the only thing that I saw that was like not a video, the seasons interaction. So I would definitely assign this one if it works. If it looks like it's not going to work though, we won't do it. Okay. So like they would do this, complete this activity, and then it just contributes to their overall percentage. And it might not even have anything for them to do. Yeah, it looks like this is just something that they're supposed to click on and look at. That's the only frustration I have right now with this Khan Academy, is because there's no, first of all, it's missing like the bulk of the earth science content, but thankfully what they do have on here is what we actually covered in the first 3 lessons, which is really good, or the first 3 units, which is really good. But yeah, and then when you choose everything you want to assign, you would click here. We're doing December 11th. We don't have students yet. So like I said, you can't assign it until the student actually gets signed up into your class. So you can save them and assign them later. And then once you assign them, you can go back and see like how they're doing. Let me see if I can go back into my classes for students. Okay, so this was my grade redemption I did last year. Let me see if I can find the students. Oh yeah, so you can come to this report and you have to make sure that they sign up with their name so that their name is displayed, because see, a lot of them like had their student IDs and I was like, I've got no idea who you are. And it will tell you like what they got on the different assignments. For us, it's just going to say, did they watch it? Like here was a video. If they watch it all the way through, it will green check it for you. And like, see, this is what I'm talking about. Like all these kids signed up for grade redemption and they didn't do it. But for the bio stuff, they had all of these activities that just don't exist for earth science. But it's okay, because we're going to give them that review and we're going to make them watch these videos. And if they can do that and do the review and get it turned in and everything's accurate, we will give them their grade redemption for the semester. So that's just a rundown. Of course, if you have any questions about that, let me know. And yeah, we're just going to take it day by day, step by step. Talk to you guys later.